Hello, this is me back with Adobe Photoshop CS6. In this tutorial I'll be teaching you to use a layer mask. Layer mask can be used for various different things like signs, billboards, silhouette images, menus, whatever you want really. So let's dive right in. First of all, we're going to import a high resolution image. It's best, otherwise you'll have jaggedy edges. Okay, then you're going to come down the left toolbar till you see a picture of a dotted circle with a paintbrush beside it, which is the quick selection tool. The quick key for this is W. You're going to select that, then you're going to bring that over to the coffee cup. We're going to select the coffee cup. So you're going to click and drag over the coffee cup like I taught you in the tutorial on the quick selection tool till the whole coffee cup is selected. If too much selects, you select or selects a bit of the background. To deselect, you can do Command D to deselect it. So then, now we've got that selected, you want to come over to your layer window. Then you're going to go right down to the bottom of your layer window. There should be a menu. You're going to scroll along that menu till you see the picture of a box with a circle in it, and a little thing should pop up that says Add Layer Mask. You're going to make sure before doing that your colours are black and white. So we're going to go right ahead and add that layer mask because our colours are correct. There we are. Now you can see it's made this little silhouette image. Basically it's a silhouette of what we had. So now we have our coffee cup floating on a blank background. So we're going to make sure our silhouette is selected, and then you're going to come over up the left toolbar till you get to the picture of the pointer tool or the move tool. The quick key for this is V. So you're going to select that, then you're going to come over to the coffee cup. Click on the coffee cup and drag it up to where you want it. You can drag it around as much as you like, you can throw it completely off the page, you can put it anywhere you want, but for now we're just going to put it in the middle. Let's stick that right in the middle there. So, this is a very useful tool for, like I said, silhouettes, signs, menus, whatever you want. In another tutorial I'll teach you how to put a shadow on this kind of thing to ground it. It will look better if you're doing things like that, if it's having grounding shadow. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.